Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate yummies. No, I did not name them, but my brother did when he made up this recipe when he was like 7 or 8. So I've changed a few things on this recipe to make it perfect, but it's a pretty great recipe, especially for an 8-year-old. And today I'm going to take these chocolate cookies that he made up and I'm going to turn them into what's like a turtle cookie. So I'm going to use caramel chips and pecans, and we're going to make a chocolate caramel pecan cookie. It's going to be really great. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is have some softened butter. I'm just going to put 2 sticks or 1 cup into my stand mixer. Now, because these are a chocolate cookie, you can use chocolate squares and melt them, or you can use the cocoa powder. But if you use cocoa powder, then you need a little bit more oil. I'm just going to use 2 more tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it into the stand mixer at this point. So right now in my stand mixer, I have 2 sticks plus 2 tablespoons of butter. And to that, I'm going to add my sugar. I've got 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And I'm just going to stir those things together. And once those are nicely mixed together, then I'm going to add the eggs. This recipe requires 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add vanilla. We're going to add the dry ingredient. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now, the cocoa powder that I use is Van Houten, and you can get this off of Amazon, but you can use any cocoa powder that you have. And finally, 3 cups of flour. And then I'm just going to stir this all together. And I'm going to scrape the sides down and mix it together just one more time. And this is our chocolate cookie dough. A lot of times I just use white chips and those come out really great. But today I'm going to use some Ghirardelli caramel chips. And I'm just gonna put the whole bag in. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped nuts. And this will make them taste like a turtle. Just stir that together well. And then our dough is done. It comes together in a snap. And I've got 3 cookie sheets lined with parchment. This recipe makes 3 dozen cookies. So I'm just going to use a cookie scoop. This one's a tablespoon. So I've scooped out all of my cookies. I've got 3 dozen. And now I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to use convection, that way I can cook all 3 trays at the same time. So it's been 10 minutes, I just took these cookies out. They are smelling so amazing. They're just slightly puffy and they've kind of lost the shine on the top. They're gonna be like brownie kind of consistency on the inside. They're chocolate yummies and they're super quick to put together. So try this recipe today. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.